What if happiness isn't something you find, but something you accidentally leave behind while chasing it? It was 3. The basement light flickered like it knew I was wasting another night. Mountain Dew in one hand. 5th takeout box stacked on top of yesterday's regrets. I was surrounded by glowing monitors and half-dead dreams. Energy drink cans like empty promises. Fat. Broke. Alone. No savings. No girlfriend. No motivation. Just the low hum of a fan and a voice in my head whispering, "Is this just your life now?" There were days I didn't want to move. Not because I was lazy, but because I didn't see the point. But here's the lie I kept feeding myself. Once I lose the weight, get the job, meet the girl, then I'll be happy. I lived like life was on pause, as if happiness was some finish line I hadn't earned yet. Like it was hidden behind a password I didn't have the confidence to type in. Then something snapped. I didn't start with a motivational speech or a 5 a.m. routine. I just got tired of my own BS. I swapped energy drinks for water, juice that actually had fruit in it. Went for a 10-minute walk, shaking, sweating like I was running a marathon. Started grounding therapy and meditation, even if I rolled my eyes at first. Applied to 1 job a day. And when I clicked submit, my heart raced like I was entering a boss fight. I was still in the same basement. But something was shifting. It reminded me of this one-time grinding in Overwatch, weeks of gameplay to unlock this rare skin. I thought the moment I got it, I'd feel like a king. Finally unlocked it. Used it in 2 matches and felt nothing. No joy, no spark, just emptiness. And that's when it hit me. The thrill wasn't in the skin. It was in the grind, the late nights, the close calls, the inch-by-inch progress. The joy was never in having the skin. It was in becoming the kind of player who could earn it. Fast forward. I lost 87 pounds. Got the job. Got the girlfriend. Moved into my own place. And one night, I sat on my bed and felt the same kind of emptiness I felt after getting that skin. Like I had finally arrived. And still felt lost. That is when the real truth punched me in the gut. The happiness wasn't in the wins. It was in the scary job applications. The awkward first dates. The shaky walks around the block. The tiny, terrifying steps toward becoming. Joy wasn't in arriving. It was in the becoming. You scroll Instagram and see someone shredded, wealthy, thriving, but chances are, they're already chasing their next fix. Because nobody tells you this, there is no finish line. So here is your only job. Step 1. Always be chasing something, doesn't matter how small. Step 2. Stop postponing joy. Stop waiting to be happy. Read the book. Learn the chord. Cook the damn meal. Don't wait to live. Nietzsche once said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." But here is the twist most people miss. Your why is in some grand life purpose. Sometimes it's just the next little quest that makes today worth showing up for. You could wake up tomorrow and start living the life of your dreams, not because you have everything, but because you finally realize the dream was the journey. And if that's true, then there's no final boss, just the joy of leveling up. If this hit something deep inside you, subscribe, because every week we're not just chasing success. We're learning how to become the kind of person who deserves it. And if you're ready to start your journey, comment, "I'm becoming." Let the world know your next chapter begins now.